Hey everyone, my name is Kane Mason and welcome to the first video on this channel. Today we're going to get straight into it and talk about 5 reasons why sales funnels are better than websites and they outperform them in 2024. So what I do is I build sales funnels for businesses, mostly fitness and health and wellness businesses. I have been known to, work with other industries as well, but recently it has been more of the fitness stuff. So I build sales funnels for those guys, service-based businesses, and these are the 5 reasons that I've found that sales funnels outperform websites in 2024. So let's get into it. First reason is obviously the enhanced conversion rate. Sales funnels are built for conversion. So websites, obviously you've got menus, you've got pop-ups, you've got, sidebars, you've got so many different places where people can go within the website. Whereas a sales funnel is designed to just bring people down into one action. And obviously you can kind of pepper that through the sales funnel if it's quite a long form one. But if it's just to, book a call or to get a demo call or watch a demo or whatever it might be, whatever the call to action is, that's what you're optimizing for. So obviously you do get that streamlined experience and you do get those higher conversion rates. Number 2 is personalized user experience. Obviously, the messaging is tailored and all the content is tailored to the person who's watching the video. You optimize for the audience that's going to be viewing the funnel. A website is really for like a much broader cold audience. So you see websites with obviously like mostly e-commerce. But then if a service-based business was running a website, it could be, quite a lot. And obviously it's better to have a sales funnel for those kind of people because you get the increased engagement and you only really need one call to action for a service-based business, which is book a call, because they need the business. They don't need to know, they don't need to have an about us page. They don't need to have a meet the team page. You can do that all in one page whilst also optimizing for booked call. Again, efficient lead generation. Guys, this is basically feeding into the first point that we went through. Basically, a targeted lead magnet is obviously going to generate leads for your business. So even if you're not optimizing for booked call, you can actually optimize for a lead magnet, which then you can later down the funnel, obviously optimize for booked call from those leads that you collect from the lead magnet. So your call to action can be download free PDF, download free video, whatever it might be. You can have opt-in forms, so obviously you can be collecting that data as well, so that all feeds into the efficient lead generation. So far we've got enhanced conversion rates, personalized user experience, and an efficient lead generation tool, which is just 3 out of the 5 reasons why sales funnels just absolutely crush websites in 2024. Next, you've got automated follow-up. This is a massive one. So obviously email sequences, retargeting ads, anyone that goes through your sales funnel, you can actually just retarget in a lot of different ways. These 2 are the main ways. Obviously, once you've collected emails, then you can just add them into your emails, your email blasts, and then obviously hit them with a 5-step sequence. And then obviously once you've done that, they're just going to get nurtured through that. And then you can obviously optimize that to get the booked call by the end of the email sequence. And retargeting ads obviously speak for themselves. They're just going to retarget the customer, just make sure that, they keep seeing you. Lastly, we have data-driven optimization. So obviously the analytics, the continuous improvement, this is why sales funnels are so optimizable, if that's, the right word. It's so much easier to spot where the leaks are in a funnel as opposed to where the leaks are in a website. A website has maybe 30 different options that you can pick. If you choose the menu that's got 7 different drop downs, and then you've got, 5 different drop downs in each one, that's 35 different routes that the customer can go. Where is the leak? It's really difficult to tell. Whereas a sales funnel, if it's a bounce rate issue, then that it's the first screen. If they're not watching the whole VSL, it's the VSL. If they're not getting to the bottom of the page and booking that call, if they're not filling in the information, these are really easy things to kind of see. So then that's why, the sales funnel beats the website every single time. So guys, nice short video for my first one. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was good information. Obviously production value is going to go up as we move forward, but just wanted to get a few videos out there. So check out the other videos on the channel. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Kane. Subscribe if you're new. Obviously you are new because it's a new channel. That was a silly thing to say. Subscribe to me. Please like the video. It would really help as it's my first one, and I will see you on the next one.